Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I decided to give y'all an update on the tornado weather this weekend. It was scary, but praise the Lord, we got through it. We didn't have any damage, but um, it veered. It was coming towards Tuscaloosa, but it turned and went north to Northport area. It's still Tuscaloosa County, but it was up north of Tuscaloosa, and because we stay in the city part, the south. They had some damage over the whole state of Alabama. They said they had 3 deaths. Lord have mercy. I was watching the news where the lady said that by the time they had heard about the storm, that she was headed to her mom's house, and by the time she made it there, she was gone. Her mom was 83. They found her 350 feet from her trailer. She said they found her uncle 150 feet the opposite direction. My heart goes out to those people, to the whole family. That's why I say we have to take care of our elderly, because my grandmama, it affected me in a way, because I always remember when I was little, when my mom we moved back to Mississippi, and my grandmama was still up there in Detroit, and she came to Mississippi, and she asked me, she wanted to take me back with her, because she was the only one up there. But of course, y'all know, being a child, we love our mom. I didn't want to leave my mom. And I think it was like maybe 3-4 months, my mom had got the news that my grandmama had died. She had a massive heart attack, and she was alone. She was alone. That's why I say I'm really, really, really passionate about the elderly, because I think about her all the time. She was up there. Well, what if I would have been there? I could have helped. It's things like that that affects you in your life. It really and truly do affect you in your life. Even though I was young, how old was I? About 9, 10, and I still remember that, because 9 times out of 10, majority of the kids don't stay in the same state as the parent, and when bad weather comes, a lot of the elderly don't want to leave their house. That's where, if you got a neighbor that's elderly and stay by themselves, just knock on the door and say, "Are you okay?" If you go into the store, just ask them, "Can I bring you anything? Do you need anything?" That's all it takes. I am very passionate about elderly people, because one day I'm going to be elderly myself, and I will want somebody to check in on me. Y'all understand? So it's amazing how it was dark yesterday, and now the sun is shining just as bright. To let you know, even through our darkest time, God is still there. He is still there, and His light gonna always shine. But I wanted to touch bases with you guys. I know I ain't been on in a couple days. Well, actually, how many days it been? About 3, 4 days. It's been some days. And see how y'all doing. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all doing. Have y'all had any bad weather? Because that was a scare. That was a scare. But I'm laying down, getting ready to go to work tomorrow. But until the next video, fam, which y'all will get another one. I'm going to have to get better with my videos for real. Because I've been looking and my watch time is going backwards instead of going up. But y'all know when life gets to life and your mind be everywhere. So until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed Sunday. Bye-bye.